In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab ACTIVE5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete the password from Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Google section available here. Then tap on All Services. Scroll again and this time click on Autofill with Google. Now tap on Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wanna get rid of. Enter your screen lock, hit the delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Don't worry, your account or any app won't be deleted, only this password from your manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!